online product course. Today we will introduce you our brand new addition to our product range, Lite SMD camera. SMD actually, what does this mean? SMD is small motion detection. It's the latest technology, latest trend in surveillance industry to detect the small motion detection of vehicles and humans. Okay, it's combined with different AI algorithms using different new latest technology techniques where we identify our motion detection. It's a human, it's a vehicle, other things like floating objects like any floating plastic bag, any other leaves or any moving like animals or pets. It's not going to be detected by our smart motion detection camera. It is going to segregate our motion detection in different ways that will not trigger our false alarm as compared to our traditional motion detection. Furthermore, this series, these kind of features was introduced in the high-end surveillance cameras, but right now Tiandy bringing these features to their Lite SMD series, so every user, every small user can enjoy these features.
So now let me start with our unboxing. So let me see what's inside. That's a part list to ensure that nothing is removed from the box already. This is user manual to guide the user how to install camera or how to use camera. This is the screw to fix the camera to the wall or the pole you want. This is position sticker for the installation of camera, and this is the waterproof parts or accessories you can use to proof your camera from water. And now let me show you the big tiger. Ooh, this is our Tiandy product. Wow, solid. See, this is our Lite SMD series product. This is TC-C35WS, which is a Lite SMD 5 megapixel bullet camera. So it's available in two housing, that is metal and other is plastic. Also, it's IP67, which means it can protect from dust and water by itself in every harsh environment that you provide. Also, it has two fill lights, that is IL light and white light. IL light range is 50 meter, whereas white light can provide till 15 meter. Here you can see it has a XD card slot, and there you can find reset button in case you forgot your password. Also, it has PoE and a 500 millimeter wire, so it can be connected wherever you want, whenever you want.
In addition to SMD function, it has other outstanding features as well. With the Starlight technology, it has the minimum illumination can reach up to 0.002, which can give the clear image at night without any fill light. Moreover, it has 120 dB TWDR, which can keep the image clear at any installation. The Lite SMD products are the most cost-effective products you can get right now. They are available in 3 different designs: bullet, turret, and dome, with 2 and 5 megapixel, and install at your front gate and the entrance of the park, your homes and offices. So order now and have the exceptional performance of SMD.